Okay, so solve natin yung problem na to. So, bali dito. So, a pump draws water from reservoir A and i-left niya ito to reservoir B as shown. No? So, bali meron ka ditong reservoir A and gusto niyang i-lift up yung water patungo dito sa reservoir B. Okay. So, the loss of head from A to 1 is 5 times the velocity head in the 250 mm diameter pipe. Okay? So, yung head loss daw dito from point A to point 1 dito sa 250 mm diameter bar is 5 times ng velocity head nila. And then, yung head loss naman from B2 to B, so itong 2 to B dito sa 150 mm diameter bar is 25 times ng velocity head dito sa pipe na to. So, ngayon, when the discharge is 0.056 cubic meter per second, so ano doon yung magiging pressure at point 2 in kPa? So, ano doon yung pressure dito? In kPa. And ano doon yung magiging power being given up by the water to the pump in the horsepower? So, ano doon yung power dito sa pump? And then, ano daw yung magiging total head loss from reservoir A to reservoir B? So, ano daw yung total head loss? So, head loss total. Okay, so solve natin yung problem. So, meron tayo ditong flow rate na 0.056 cubic meter per second. Cubic meter per second. Ito yan. Ngayon, may sinabi siya na yung head loss daw ng A to 1 is 5 times nung velocity head nila, no? So, if I assume na velocity 1 yung mag-flow dito sa pipe na yan, say, and then dito is, say na lang velocity 2. So, velocity 1 squared 2 times the gravity. And then, may sinabi pa siya na yung head loss from 2 to B is 25 times yung velocity 2 squared divided by 2 times the gravity. So, kunin ko muna yung mga velocity. Since alam ko naman yung cross-section ko dito. Diba? Sa pipe na yan. So, kunin ko muna yan. So, meron akong flow rate na 0.056 cubic meter per second. So, thus, yung velocity natin is we have Q over area. So, for velocity 1, so area 1. So, we have 0.056 all over yung pi over 4. Yung diameter nito is 250. So, 0.25 squared. And this is equal to 1.141 meter per second. And for pipe 2, yung 150. So, meron tayong ganun pa rin, Q over area. So, we have 0.056 all over pi over 4 0.15 squared, and this is equal to 3.169 meter per second. Ngayon yung tanong niya na ano yung total head loss from A to B. This is just head loss nung A to 1 plus yung head loss ng 2 to B. So yung makukuha mo yung A to B. Start ka ng A, punta ka dito sa B. So, yun din yung magiging head loss mo total. So, this is just 5 times nung velocity 1 squared all over 2 times the gravity. And ito naman is velocity squared over 2 times the gravity. Ito lang, no? Plug-in ko lang. So, ngayon, meron na tayong head loss total, and that is just 5 times 1.141 squared all over 2 times 9.81 plus 25 times 3.169 squared all over 2 times 9.81. So, therefore, yung sagot nito is 0. Dito na lang. So, this becomes 0.33177 plus 12.79633. So we have 13.1281 meter. And this is now the answer. Okay, so yan na yung sagot dito sa letter C. So yan yung sagot natin sa letter C. 13.1281. So nauna muna yung C kasi siya yung mauuna talagang computin. Okay, so ngayon bali dito, kopyahin ko lang muna to. So, dito, mag-assume na lang ako muna ng datum. So, assume ko na lang na yung datum ko dito is itong negative 30. So, ito yung datum ko. Yung negative. So, this is my datum. So, any distance above ana, that is taken as positive z. And below ana is taken as negative z. Okay? So, muna akong datum. So, magbuhat ko diri karon og gusto na ako makuha ang power aning ko, no? So, kung saan akong head loss, head added due to pump. So, considering yung Bernoulli's energy equation from point A to point B. Okay? So, assuming ang datum na ako is elevation negative 30. So, ako lang ni-type, no? So, I have A. So, this is velocity head plus pressure head plus elevation head. And then, take note, within sa route sa A to B, naagihan nato ang pump, no? Nadaanan natin yung pump. So, kailangan may added na head. And punta na ako dito sa B. So, I have velocity B plus teka lang, may mali. This is A. Ito is B, ZB, and then dito yung head loss, no? Sa gitna, diba? Sa Bernoulli's equation. So, A to B. Okay, yung total head loss. So, ito na yung magiging equation natin. Okay, so since reservoir to, makikita natin na dito naka-reservoir. So basta reservoir, yung velocity niya is assume as 0, no? Dahil sa laki nung area niya, no? And then yung pressure niya, since exposed yan sa atmosphere, so assume na lang din na 0. So sa reservoir lang din yan, no? So this is 0, this is 0, 0, 0. So, yung matitira is elevation head, then head added, elevation head, head loss. So, ngayon, yung ZA is ito yan, no? From datum. So, ito yung magiging ZA ka. Patungo dito sa point A. So, ito yan. So, yan yung ZA ko, which is ilan yan? That is dito tayo nag-start sa negative 30. So, ibig sabihin, yung distance niya is 30 plus then we have 40. Diba? Negative 30. Kung ito yung 0 natin, meron tayong negative 30 kasi down siya. And then ito yung 10 natin na elevation. So ibig sabihin, yung total distance mo from negative 30 na distance is ito yun. Kasi ito yung distance yan, 10, ito is 30. Kaya this one is 40. No? So I hope klaro tayo dyan. So yan na yung magiging Z, A ko. And then yung B ko is ito naman. So itong point na to patungo dito sa datum. So this one. This is my Z, B, and that is just, again, 30 plus 200. Okay? So therefore we have 230. So substitute na lang natin yung values. So meron tayong 40 plus head added is equivalent to 230 plus yung head loss na na-compute natin, that is 13.1281. So solve natin yung head added. So therefore meron tayong 40 plus alpha x, alpha equal nung 230 plus 13.1281. So we have 203.1281 meter. Head added. So ito na yung sagot. Ay, hindi pa pala. Head added pala to. Yung gusto natin makuha is yung power supplied by the pump. Okay, so mag-experiment tayo na. What if yung maging datum natin is hindi itong negative 13. Let's say ito. Let's say yung datum natin is, let's say ito na lang. Let's say ito yung elevation 0. So ito yung magiging datum ko. So pwede rin, no? So bali yung magiging ano pa rin natin dito is ito pa rin, no? Ito pa rin yung magiging formula natin. Ito pa rin, copy ko na lang. Consider ko pa rin yung Bernoulli's equation from point A to point B. But this time, yung ZE naman yung magbabago. So, bali yung magiging ZE mo from datum is ito yan, no? So, ito yan. So, that is taken as positive. So, ito yung positive ZE, that is 0. So, 10 meters. And then, yung point B is ito naman. So, above datum pa rin to. So, that is expected as positive 200, diba? 200. So, bali ngayon, yung magiging itsura nito is 10 plus yung head added is equivalent nung, ito crash out na to. Yung ZB natin na 200 plus yung head loss natin na 13.1281. So, therefore, meron na tayong head added and that is just also equal to 203.1281 meters. So, pansin nyo na the same yung value nila. So, what if dito ka magdatum? Experiment ka lang. So, what if kung dito ka magdatum, let's say, at elevation 10, ito yung gusto mong maging datum, no? Okay? Yan yung gusto mong maging datum. So, ganun pa rin, magiging positive yung dito na height, below niyan is negative. So, again, the same yung equation na kukunin natin. So, Bernoulli's equation pa rin, from point A to point B. Ganun pa rin, no? So, bali, pahin ko na lang muna. Ayan. So, yung magbabago na lang is itong value ng ZA. So, dito, Since yung A tsaka yung datum natin is the same, so yung ZA natin is just 0. And then, dito sa point B, ito naman yung magiging Z natin. So, yung ZB natin is just 200 minus 10, no? Or 190, di ba? 10 kasi dito eh. Ito 200 tayo. So, 200 minus 10. So, 190. Okay, so substitute ko na lang yan dito. So, meron tayong 0 plus yung head added is equivalent to 190 plus yung total head loss na 131281. So thus meron na tayong head added and that is just equal to 203.1281 meters. So which is the same pa rin dito. So I hope klaro tayo dyan. So yung mga head na yan is naka meters yan ha. So ibig sabihin pwede na nating isolve yung power niya, no? So power supplied by the pump. So we have Q power equals Q unit weight nung liquid, then energy, then 746 para horsepower agad, no? So yung E natin dito is just equal to head added, no, for pump. So meron na tayong Q that is 0.056, that is given, no? So that flow rate yan, no? Given yan. And then since water to, so gagamitin ko na lang yung 9,810 Newton. And then 203.1281 all over 746. So thus meron na tayong power na 149.585 horsepower. Okay? So naging conversion lang to na from watts to horsepower. So anyway, ito na lang yan. So ito na yung sagot natin for letter B. So okay na to, no? Next is yung pressure dito sa point 2. Okay, so ganun pa rin, considering pa rin to. So bali dito so gusto ko makuha yung pressure at point 2. So kunin ko na lang yung Bernoulli's energy equation from point A to point 2. Okay, point A to point 2. So assume ko na lang na yung magiging datum ko dito. So since na-prove ko naman din kanina na kahit saan ka pwedeng mag-datum, so di na natin issue kung saan ako mag-datum, no? So assume ko na lang na yung datum ko is na yung negative 30. So ganun pa rin, gagawa ko ng Bernoulli's equation dito. So for A and saka point 2. So sulat ko lang yung Bernoulli's equation. 2J plus pressure head plus elevation head. Then take note, nadaanan natin yung pump sa route ng A to 2. Diba? So ibig sabihin may head added tayo. Kasi nadaanan natin along sa route niya. And then dito naman ako sa point 2. So velocity 2 squared, pressure 2, unit weight, Z2, and head loss ng A to 1 na. Bakit A to 1? Kasi yung head loss kasi ng 2 to B, hindi natin pwede sala yan, no? Kasi hanggang 2 lang tayo So yung head loss na lang dito sa 1 and A, no? Then kasi wala na tayong ibang head loss dito na. Kasi yung point 1 to 2 Yung head loss niya is yun yung head added, no? Kasi may pump eh. So yung may head loss lang talaga is yung 1A. So head loss lang nung 1A, then yung dito sa point 1 and 2, andito na yan nilagay natin sa head added. So I hope klaro tayo dyan. So ganun pa rin. So since reservo to, so ibig sabihin matatanggal lang to. So substitute na natin yung values. So we have ZA. So ito yan. So from datum, ito yung A. So ito yung Z. So ZA is just positive 30 plus 10. So we have 40. And then yung head added natin, na-compute na natin yan. Ha? Yung head added, na-compute na natin yan. Lagay ko na lang 203.1281. 203.1281. And then yung head loss ng 8 to 1, na-compute na din natin yan, no? That is, sana yan? Ito yan, no? Ito yung head loss nung, yan. Ito yung sa 2. So 0.33177. So 0.33177. So substitute natin yung mga values. So ma-solve na natin yung problem. Meron tayong 40 plus 203.1281. And then velocity 2. So na-compute na din natin na. Yan nga yung velocity to. So yung velocity 2, na-compute na natin yan. That is 3.169. 3.169 meter per second. So this is 3.169 squared all over 2 times 9.81 plus ito yung gusto natin makuha, yung pressure 2 all over unit weight ng liquid 9.81 plus yung Z2. So ito yung point 2, di ba? Ito yung point 2 mo, then ito yung datum mo. So ibig sabihin yung Z2 is 0. So we have 0 plus 0.33177. So meron ka ng pressure 2 and that is just equal to 2376.8107 kPa. Okay? So kPa. So make sure lang dito is naka kilonewton per cubic meter yung unit weight nung liquid mo. So yan na yung sagot. So pwede man din yung no? Yung pwede rin yung BEE, no? Kukunin mo yung Bernoulli's equation, Bernoulli's energy equation ng A to 1, then Bernoulli's equation ng 1 to 2. No? Pwedeng ganun din, no? Magka-come up ka pa rin ng pressure 2. So kaso medyo lengthy na siya. Okay yung ganito kung pinapahanap sa problem yung pressure at 1, no? Kasi dadaanan mo siya. So mas maganda na ito na lang kasi makukuha mo yung pressure at 1, then makukuha mo yung pressure at 2. So bali 2 birds in 1 stone. Pero dito kasi is pressure 2 na lang. So I think stick na lang ako dito sa BEE ng E2 2. Okay, so pwede yung i-try out yung BEE nung A to 1 then 1 to 2. The same yung magiging result niya. So I think that's it, and I think okay na to. So see you in the next video. Thank you.